Hello everyone!
Damn it!
Exit 15E and a couple of problems on the crash. 2 lanes are knocked out, and westbound at Coney Island Avenue.
The approaching train sounded its horn repeatedly, but her music drowned it out, creating a shocking close call beside the tracks in Russia. A desperate brake attempt wasn't enough to stop the massive truck before disaster unfolded on a Texas roadway.
Motherfucker, here we go! Damn it! God damn, that dude is not okay. Motherfucker, he is.
Recorded in Vietnam, this near disaster served as a powerful lesson about the importance of watching for traffic before stepping across the road. Ukrainian soldiers flipped a brand new tank in only 3 seconds during this unbelievable military fail. One split-second decision saved a life, but triggered a collision with another vehicle instead. The snow looked harmless, but the dangerously slick roadway nearly caused disaster before quick reactions took over. Powerful winds turned a festival in Bengaluru, India, into tragedy when 2 massive decorative floats suddenly collapsed before horrified spectators. Fast traffic and a poorly timed stop created a heart-stopping near disaster on a road in Thailand. Inside a nickel mine in Indonesia, a sudden landslide sent workers running in terror, highlighting the risk associated with the mining operation in this country. Without warning, the landslide unleashed chaos and swept away a truck carrying vital supplies within seconds. Onlookers watched in horror as the massive structure suddenly gave way in Nainital district, India, beneath choking dust clouds. One slightly faster move through the torrential rain in Taiwan might have completely changed the outcome of this close call. Heavy rainfall triggered a massive landslide in India, collapsing an 8-story building moments after residents escaped. Giant waves unleashed by Cyclone Harry turned the waterfront of Catania, Italy, into a dangerous scene during January 2026. Dangerous road conditions in Thailand nearly ended in tragedy, showing why vigilance behind the wheel always matters. The motorcycle was only seconds away from being crushed by the car. A sudden surge of acceleration turned a busy Houston intersection into the scene of a dangerous truck crash, possibly caused by pedal error.
Pero sé dónde está el restaurante.
¡Véngase para acá, huevón! ¡Véngase!
In a stunning eruption last November, Kilauea volcano in Hawaii blasted lava more than 1,500 feet skyward in wing-like formations. Mountain roads hide serious dangers, where falling rocks and landslides can strike without warning. What started as wonder in the French Alps ended in fear when the avalanche quickly turned toward these skiers. Disaster nearly struck when a semi veered off course. Thankfully, the Idaho trooper reacted just in time. Footage from last November reveals the violent eruption of Mount Semeru in Indonesia's East Java region.
Ini dari Gunung Sawur masih turun.
Heavy machinery demands full safety precautions, yet here there's clear risk with missing gear and unsafe distance. A sudden slip almost ended in a crash, until a sharp correction saved the situation instantly.
Oh my God. I don't know what the...
बढ़िया चीयर था ये पलटल ये गोइल गोइल ये गोइल गोइल ये गोइल
Goil, goil, goil. Goil, goil. Goil, 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 goil.
Traffic came to a standstill in Bangkok after a huge sinkhole, more than 50 meters deep, suddenly appeared near houses in December 2025.
Yeah, that's an entire crack.
In the Bronx, a van was swallowed by a sinkhole after a severe downpour in New York City, leaving residents in shock.
It's going.
After severe flooding in Sampson, a retaining wall suddenly failed and crushed vehicles beneath it in moments. As the flood raged through Panchkula Kalka, India, their bridge was not strong enough to stand against the power of nature.
Ôi may mình đấy. Má mà.
In São Paulo, Brazil, a sudden tornado sent residents scrambling for safety as it unleashed destructive power across the area. This driver in Thailand was lucky enough to dodge a falling power pole and an accident, but her fellow driver was not that fortunate. Morning calm in St. Louis was shattered when a fire truck slid and spun on icy neighborhood roads after an ice storm. High winds along a remote stretch of I-25 near the Colorado-Wyoming line sent a semi into a frightening situation.
Estamos el día de hoy, justamente el primero.
Torrential rains turned a peaceful New Mexico community into rushing floodwaters.
Oh, the house! Oh, the house! Oh! Oigan.
In Shandong province, China, a powerful tornado caused heavy destruction, uprooting trees and damaging buildings across many areas.
Look what's going on!
Floodwaters erupted without warning on US Highway 24, covering the road in mud and freezing traffic movement.
We probably want to just stay.
We could probably make it on the right. Oh, that pole's blocking it.
他要那2片树，你就给他整了1片树。
不录了，菲菲。
Oh, there goes the rest of it.
In front of nature's destructive power, humans' inventions all seem to be surprisingly fragile.
Holy it's going right by the office. Come on, let's go green.
Steelmaking becomes hazardous when water enters the furnace, as molten metal can erupt into violent steam explosions. Rain-meeting electricity created a sudden, violent blast in a shocking and dangerous instant. Severe weather in Marika caused a giant Christmas tree installation to collapse suddenly in an unexpected scene. Strong tremors shook Metro Cebu during the magnitude 6.9 earthquake on September 30th, 2025, as captured in footage from a home in Cebu City, Philippines. Severe storms swept through San Antonio, toppling trees and damaging vehicles at Fort Sam Houston, though no injuries were reported.
Tornado! Damn!
In seconds, terror struck in Sichuan as a crane fell, forcing a heart-stopping escape from the guardrail.
The tornado is literally right above us.
She gone.
Anyone knows what is this phenomenon? Baseball-sized, hail-battered Rock Hill in Southern California as 90-mile-per-hour winds turned the storm into a violent, chaotic force. Moving a machine as heavy as a D9L leaves no room for error, as this Dominican Republic incident clearly proved. In Himachal Pradesh, torrential rain triggered a violent landslide that swallowed houses and vehicles in seconds. Violent gusts hit Tangsi, Indonesia, destroying shop structures and bringing down trees throughout the region. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos ahead.